Pull hard now, heave! We've got it moving. Keep the tension. Hold steady on the forward lines. Water level is critical. Keep it slow.
The hull integrity is surprisingly stable for this depth.
Running the overlay now. Look, 1920s era confirmed.
Okay, easy now. Okay, easy now. Lowering to the surface, watch the starboard line.
The pressure readings on the starboard side are fluctuating significantly.
Is that consistent with the structural analysis?
Green indicator is lit on the main clamp.
Roger that. System check is nominal. We are good to proceed. We have a strong signal right here.
I see it. Engaging the clamps. Pressure looks stable.
Pull it tight. Almost there. Keep going. Secure the line on your mark.
All right, slowly bring it starboard. Watch the tension on those lines.
Move the line further down to section 4. Keep the pressure steady.
The heat map shows severe corrosion right here.
We need to address that section immediately.
Watch your step on the right.
Clear out, she's coming down.
Heads up with the torch. Keep that pressure steady on the left.
All right, moving up now.
Watch the sparks.
The stress analysis on section 7 looks good. We can proceed with the next scan angle.
The internal shielding around the reactor is insufficient. We must increase the density here.
Agreed. Let's run a thermal analysis on that section immediately.
Alignment holding steady.
Initiate weld sequence on Sector 4.
Weld sequence active. Clear the area.
Lowering now, steady.
Alignment looks good.
Hand me the wrench for the connection.
Almost there. Watch the clearance on your side. Millimeter adjustment. Looks seated. Confirmed. Good job, gentlemen.
Almost there. Steady, steady. That should hold it.
Slow and steady now. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Copy that. Easing it down.
Steady on the left.
Okay, keep it moving forward. Watch the next bundle coming up.
We need more slack on the yellow line. Pull from the rear. All right, pulling now. Steady.
Easy, bring it down slow.
All right, steady now. Watch the port connections.
Red coupling secure. Line it up with the marker. Copy that, moving it slowly into place.
The schematics show the sensor array mounting point right here.
Yes, but the physical alignment seems off by a few millimeters on the starboard side.
These acoustic tiles here, the calibration seems slightly off according to the schematics.
Okay, I'll log it for review. The robotic arms can handle the adjustment overnight.
We have stabilization at the stern. Lock the valves.
Locking valves now.
Go ahead and start the main discharge.
Roger that. Levels dropping rapidly.
Check the reading on the brass scale against the ballast logs.
The oscillation is within tolerance. I'm cross-referencing the dry dock figures now.
Firing sequence initiated.
Torpedo away. Solid hit confirmed. Alignment check. Mark.
Looks good from the rear. Steady.
Confirmed. Engaging sequence.
Con, sonar, new transit bearing 090.
Aye, aye, sir. Analyzing now.
We're holding steady at 121 meters. Contact is closing fast.
I have the data. Maintaining course. Emergency dive. 20 degrees down bubble.
Aye, Captain. 20 degrees down.
Sonar, we have contact bearing 090.
Sir, we have an unconfirmed contact holding steady depth.
Analyze the acoustic signature. I want a positive ID now.
We have a strong return at 200 meters.
Acknowledged. Analyzing.
Panel secure. Acknowledged.
Systems check complete.
Seal the breach. We are stable now.
Emergency ballast blow. Blow all tanks. Welcome home, number 1. The fleet is honored by your return to service.
Did you get the seams on the lower section?
Yeah, almost done here. This paint goes on thick.